So Mike, just tell us more about these allegations. Who was on the stand? What did they say?
So I'll be the first to say today was tough. It was tough to follow the evidence, to follow the money flows, to follow the allegations. This is what I could make of it. There was an attorney, Nicholas Loubser, on the stand today. He is not facing any allegations, or he's not vitally involved or intricate in the allegations. It's his business partner and another attorney called Rian van der Walt. Now, they were business partners in a law firm, but Mr. van der Walt had another shelf company in which he was the sole director. That company was called Precise Trade and Invest 02. And the allegations are that Precise Trade and Invest received money from Siangena. Siangena got 4 billion rand in contracts from Prasa. And Mario Ferreira, who's a tender mogul, is a shareholder in Siangena Technologies. And Mr. van der Walt does legal work for Mario Ferreira. And then money goes towards Mr. Montana's purchase of several properties throughout Johannesburg. I'm going to leave it up to the evidence leader, Advocate Vasoni, to nicely encapsulate the allegations that were made today. Listen in.
Now, the evidence that is available in respect of the payment of the properties, Chairperson, is that it does not appear as if Mr. Montana paid any money for any of these properties. Now, we accept that he sold one, and 2 were transferred into the name of Precise Trade. But the fact of the matter is, Mr. Chairperson, he bought a property in his own name. It was transferred to his own name for 13 odd million rand. But the documents that we have which show payment for these properties doesn't reflect that he himself paid even a cent for these properties.
So what does or did Lucky Montana have to say about these property deals?
So these property deals date back to 2014, 2015. I know that our colleagues in other publications, City Press, News 24, have written extensively about the property deals. Peter Louis Myburg, in particular, had a lot of run-ins with Mr. Montana in the past and these so-called dodgy property dealings. And Mr. Montana has always rebutted that it was either from a point of view of racism that these allegations were being brought against him. And he has in the past said that he was using bond facilities with ABSA, for example, to be able to fund these various properties, and has always rubbished these allegations as soon as it was put to him. It must be noted, though, that the inquiry did invite him to come and give evidence, but I think it was back in 2019. The reports already state that Lucky Montana said he will not be taking part in the state capture inquiry or giving any evidence.
All right, Michael Apple, thanks for that.